Power wash, Salisbury, Maryland. Had a little bit of metal work done today, a little bit of welding action over here at the metal shop in Delmar, Delaware. Um, had them extend the muffler exhaust here. Um, sorry, they're playing around with one of their vehicles up here. Originally, it just came out to about here and had that little flapper. This way now it comes all the way out. It's got a nice little angle, so it'll drain out if there's anything in it. This to extend basically the cap that ended about there and was kicking all this exhaust up here. I want to eventually be able to have ladder and stuff up there, so we needed to have this extended out. And that pipe is for the GX690. That other hole was already there. Just told them to go ahead and just drill another hole, so that way it could just be a simple 90 going straight down. Here we had them vent that because same thing. I wanted this to be able to go outside. Now this, obviously, this panel has to be open, which this air compressor should never be on without that panel being open. I'm going to show you what they did underneath. We'd had a couple other things. This had gotten kind of messed up, so they welded us a new piece of metal there, which is great. And same thing, I love how all this pipe looks. Has come down nice and low. So we've got one of our panels here for that 690. So we wanted to make sure that when it's going, that it wasn't going to be, originally I thought it was going to be up top here, and then that would have caused issues. But by having it nice and low, this again will kick out the exhaust and get us good to go. So just a little bit of stuff to kind of button this up. Now it's a little bit safer, more resilient, and quite frankly just looks really ridiculously cool. I mean, do chin-ups on that if I needed to, and certainly don't grab onto this, kids, when it's been running. It's going to be hot. We'll probably wrap that up with something, but for right now it looks really, really cool.